Updates. 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 Whether you're a first-time buyer, college parent or just looking to downsize, this home is perfect. This excellent condition home has been completely updated in the last couple of years or so. Stainless appliances, glass backsplash, granite countertops, new paint inside and out, laminate flooring in the living areas and new windows and guttering are just some of the updates on this list. The baths have also been updated including lights, vanities, tile work and tub. Don't hesitate. This home will move fast. The stainless refrigerator is included but not warranted.